you do need some foam to protect it, I guess. So foam's coming out. And let's see what's in this box. All right, so in this box is pedals. I'm guessing this is gonna be the charger. And it is, that's the charger. We have the manual. All right, I figured out a way of getting these zip ties off without cutting them. Okay, the hardest part of this thing is getting all the foam and the zip ties off. So what you're left with is the main bike. The handlebars are down here. Front tire here. I deflated it a little bit just so I could get the zip ties off cleanly. And here is the front fender. So all you have to do probably is put this handlebar on, then the front tire on, and then the fender, and then the pedals. That should not take more than about 10-15 minutes, I think. There's a little thing right here. It says, this aluminum ring is only for protection. Please take it off. Okay, so we need to take this off and then put the handlebar on, right? Okay, so you take the top cover screw off and the top cover comes off, and then you put the stem on there, and then you tighten the top cover back on, and then kind of line it up to the front tire and put the tighten up the Allen wrenches there, and then you adjust the handlebar to the angle that you want, and then adjust the Allen wrenches there, and then you're done with that. Okay, so now we take these nuts off and then put the tire on. You gotta make sure that the disc brakes fit in between here, right there, and then okay, you can drop it. Okay, good. So it's seated. And then if you come over here, there's a little hole here, and you have to make sure that this washer fits into this hole right here. Right there, yeah. And then there's one on the other side like that. There's a hole right here. And you have to make sure that this washer sticks in there. And then you tighten them down, and then we're pretty much done. I believe it's gonna go like this. I believe it's gonna go like that. Okay, so from front to back, it is screw, washer, fender flange, then the light, then the bracket, then the nut. Tighten that up, and then you just put the screw into the side supports on both sides, and then you're done with the fender. Okay, last part's the pedals. There's a right and a left. You have to make it go the correct way. So the right side goes here, and it always threads on in the forward direction. So on the right side it'll be clockwise, and on the left side it'll be counterclockwise. It's a little weird. So this one goes like this. This way, as you pedal, it tightens it on. Okay, so we'll tighten that up later. And then we'll go to this other side. And see, this way, you would think it goes this way, but it doesn't. It goes this way. it goes counterclockwise on this side. After you put it together, it looks like this. It looks like a small moped, which some people like this look. I don't know if I'm the hugest fan, but a lot of the kids seem to like these e-bikes that look like scooters. It does have pedals and a derailleur. I'm not sure why, because the seating position makes it pretty hard to pedal efficiently. You can pedal it, but it's hard to pedal efficiently. There is a space here. You can get a little padded seat here, or you can add a basket here if you want. It's accessories you can get from them. I asked them to send a seat so you can ride 2 up. It does have these foot pegs in the back, so you can ride 2 up. Right here. And let's see, let's turn it on. So here it is booting up. I'm doing a range test right now, so we're at 39%. It's got a cool feature here where you can turn it like this, and it gives you little turn signals. Sort of cool. And then, of course, headlights right here. And they decided to put like this Velcro thing for the cable management, which kind of is a nice touch. The front wheels, the front suspension has a lockout, and it's got fenders.